Hey guys, just reporting. According to the scientists of the USGS, they warn of even a bigger earthquake from a 4.5 could follow within the next week or so. Meantime, there's been an earthquake at the same location in San Francisco, 3.4 as we speak on that. So there's definitely a lot of shifting earthquakes happening as we speak. So scientists said that this could be triggered, and there's some activities happening in the San Andreas Fault, and the one down at the Pleasant Hill, as you know, 3.4 happening on that. But also recently there's multiple earthquakes happening as we speak on that. They said that a strong one could be hitting pretty soon. 3.4 earthquake magnitude had happened not too long ago. Will probably increase on that, so just to be warned on that. So we'll keep you more updates regarding this.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.